have seen intensive earthquakes coming to Asia. He showed me tremendous flood that is going to shock the earth. It will be historic. It will be a tsunami of its own.
He took me there, about 500 kilometers down there. And even as I spoke that judgment with my prophetic tongue and pointed at the ocean with my left prophetic finger, then the earthquake hit the floor of the ocean. I see the earthquake from below that stirs up the water and raises the water as high as one of the highest mountains on the earth. He raised through the earthquake from the bottom of the sea, from more than 500 kilometers under the sea. He raised a very mighty, angry, furious earthquake. There is going to be a stirring in the ocean, an earthquake, undersea earthquake, under the earth, under the ocean, about 500 kilometers. I saw the ocean fail to stop again. It raised the water, it clouded the ocean.
The Lord showed me a tremendous earthquake hits the ocean, and that earthquake stirs up, it digs up a huge storm from the ocean.
March 11th, 2011. A magnitude 9.0 earthquake strikes Japan.
Oh my God, the building's gonna fall!
He showed me tremendous flood that is going to shock the earth. It will be historic. It will be a tsunami of its own. And I've seen a lot of debris. Why is God so angry? He sees Eastern religions, Buddhism. He sees all those religions of idolatry. Who tells the oceans where to stop? How about if he fails to tell the oceans where to stop? I see tsunami coming to Asia. They're searching for thousands of people. There's going to be a historic tsunami touchdown on the earth. Again, there is going to be a huge tsunami that is going to touch the ocean, it's going to touch down on the earth.
A large part of the city has been struck, engulfed by this tsunami.
Huge boats are torn from their moorings and tossed into overpasses. Houses are crushed like kindling by the awesome power of the waves. And everything is smashed together into a deadly wall of debris that consumes everything in its path. As the wave streaks along the flat countryside, the CCTV cameras record the slow-motion swallowing of an entire airport.
It's a flood of truly biblical proportions.
And I saw tremendous waves of fury of the Lord. I saw that the ocean obeyed the voice of the Lord, and the ocean failed to stop, and the ocean came out. started running for their life. Everybody driving away.
Dramatic footage has emerged of the Japanese tsunami in March. Shot by an onboard camera on a car belonging to Umaroga, it shows the moment that waters flood a busy main road and the chaos that ensues.
At that time, I thought I was going to die. It was kind of strange, but I didn't really feel panicky myself.
For this car and the occupants, there's no escape.
These shocking new images show the moment the tsunami smashed into the plant, triggering a series of fires and explosions. Just 200 kilometers from Tokyo, 3 of the 6 nuclear reactors at Fukushima are now in meltdown, and deadly radiation has already leaked into the sea and air.
These are the signs, surely indeed, the Messiah is coming. That when we see these things happening, we may begin to prepare in earnest, prepare in righteousness and holiness, that now the church may prepare for the glorious coming of the Messiah.